Okay, let's take a quick look about how to cite your sources for your tutorial in Excel 2. And what I like to do to cite my sources is open up Word because it works really well for me. There are other online sources that you can use for citation purposes, and I will link to those too in a minute. I'm going to go to my References tab, and I'm going to start here at Manage Sources because I'm not really inserting a footnote or endnote as I'm not typing a paper. I decided that I like APA style best, and I'll show you why in just a second. Here are a couple that I've already added. So to add a new one, you would click New here, and then you select what kind of a document you're citing. And the reason I like APA better is if I choose to cite a website, it gives me a spot to put in the URL. MLA style doesn't ask for a URL, and I think that's a pretty important feature, so people can just copy and paste or click and go right to the source where you found the information. So I've got one already put in here. Let's edit this one that I've got. It's a website. So I wanted to point out the difference between the name on the web page and the name on the website. So I chose this blog to use as a citation. And this is the name of the website. It's an Excel blog. There's several pages in this site. And add a web watermark to an Excel worksheet is the name of the web page. So the site is like the title of your newspaper or magazine, and the web page is the article that you're reading. Now, I'm gonna just copy and paste the URL because who would want to type that whole thing out there? And I'll have you notice down here that it gives you an example of what you should type in. If you don't type a comma, I think it automatically recognizes it as first name, last name. So that is one. We're changing them. Oh, my current list, I see. And then here's our 6-minute scholar. This is a YouTube video that I created. If you're using a video, then you're going to cite it as a website. You might use a document from a website if it's a PDF that comes from a website. I don't know that you will need to use any of the other sources, but if you've got a question, send me an email. So the author of my YouTube video is 6-minute scholar. Right here, a lot of times people use aliases for YouTube videos. You use what you get. I did a little digging and I did find her name, but it wasn't easy. So go with the name of the person who uploaded the video, or right here, the name of the channel. You can use that for the name of the author. And then here again, the name of the web page is how to cite YouTube videos. The name of the website is YouTube. Ooh. And I'm going to put the URL in again. I'm going to copy and paste because that's handy. And I've got it in 2 lists. That's why I'm getting that error message. So now if I want to get something to print out, I'm just going to go build bibliography, and I'm going to have it build me a bibliography. And then the cool thing is I can just cut and paste this into my tutorial, or I can take a screenshot of it for my video, and I have got my sources cited in less than 5 minutes. So please make sure and give me an email or a call if you've got any questions, and have fun tutorializing.